Hi, Data Fam. Today I want to talk about Gantt charts. I will show you two ways of creating a Gantt chart. Let's get started. Step 1, create a calculated field. I named it time to ship. The idea here is to calculate the hours between the order date and the ship date. In this scenario, we want to find out how many hours it took between receiving an order and shipping the order. What does this chart show? It breaks down the different ship modes. It starts with the minimum order date for that ship mode, and the length of the bars show the duration. Let's recreate this. Ship mode, right click and drag the order date. Minimum is the first order received in that ship mode. When I right click and drag the newly created calculation to the size, I can choose average. This now sizes up the bar based on the average. Let's understand this better. My first column, this 81,072, is the sum of the time to ship for first class ship mode. And 1548 are the number of lines or the number of different record IDs for first class. When I change this to an average, this is what I expect. 81,072 divided by 1548. Let's try that out. Let's change this to an average. 5237, rounded off to 52.4. Great. I hope this now makes sense. This is how we create a Gantt chart. We bring in the dimensions to the rows. We put an order date in our columns, the start date essentially, time to ship into our size. This is how we can manually create. This is one way of creating. The other way would be to use the show me, the Gantt. Let's select order date, ship mode, time to ship, and hit on this Gantt view. Change this from sum to an average to the minimum of order date. There you have it. Using show me, we have created the Gantt chart. What does this tell us? Same day has the least lead time, so it is the most premium way of shipping. Then comes first class, then second class, and then the standard class. Recently, there was a Data+TV live cast where I was speaking with Andy. Andy and his team at Tableau prepared this IMDb data source with focus on sci-fi, and we were trying to slice and dice the data, trying to find some insights in it. Let's look at the calculation. Similar to how we did, we are using a DATEDIFF. I'm using the year as the date part, the start year of the series, and the end year of the series to find how long the series was running. Now let me create a Gantt chart, series title and year, IMDb series ID, to make sure that all of these are as granular as possible. The series start year into the columns, make it into a Gantt chart, and then the series duration to the size. Let's try something else. Average duration, make this into a discrete, drag this here, and sort it. I have sorted the longest running series using the average series duration as a discrete column. Hope this helps.